Hey guys, check out this black paint job. It's all oxidized. If you have one of those cars where the sides look good but the top's hazy, use this. It's called Lukat Fix It. Watch this. I'll put that on like this. Now you can do this by hand or machine. Keep it simple. Look at what I want to do right now. I'm just going to go back and forth. I'm cleaning the same spot. This is not a wax. It's pure cleaner, but it doesn't remove your clear coat or your base coat. It'll remove the contaminants only. Look at that. Voila. Okay. Can you see that? Okay. And listen to this. There's no wax. This product is not a wax. It's a cleaner. I'm going to do a little bit bigger spot. So you can piecemeal this out, do it in sections. It's very easy to do, or I should say simple, okay? You can clean it in sections. This is gonna stay like this for years because I'm not masking the paint. Instead, I'm cleaning it. I'm removing that buildup. So remember, if the top of your car, your SUV, your truck is hazy and the sides look good, you can do this to fix that problem, okay? Look at that, okay? There's no shine here. This is what the paint job looks like when it's clean. This is contaminated. Listen to this. Dead toasted paint. Listen to this. You don't hear nothing because this is smooth and shiny again. This makes your paint job smooth and shiny again when it's dirty and ugly. Okay, you only have to use it once, period. Okay, now, it's a two-step process. First you want to clean it, now you want to seal it. This is called the Lukat Ez Sealer. This one goes on like a wax in circles. Work it into the paint. Let it cure for about 10 minutes. Okay, for best results. It's gonna seal your paint, protect it against the elements. It's gonna lock in that beautiful paint job. These are paint restoration products. When your paint is smooth and shiny again, you can wax it, you can detail it. This is not gonna wash off because we cleaned it. This is what this paint job, go ahead and pan back so they can see the rest of the hood. So this paint job it's ugly because it's dirty first and foremost. That cleans it, that seals it, and it's gonna stay like that. Now you can detail it all you want. Hey, check us out at lukatdetail.com. Please like and subscribe. Got questions? Talk to us, call us. Our number's in the about section. Later, guys.